Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where square root of x plus square root of x minus 15 is equal to 15, or squaring on both sides. We can write here square root of x plus square root of x minus 15 whole square is equal to 15 square. Or now we know an algebraic formula: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So apply this formula here. We can write square root of x whole square plus 2 times square root of x times square root of x minus 15 plus square root of x minus 15 whole square is equal to 15 square. Or now this square root cancel out this square, so here we will get x plus, here we can write 2 times square root of x times x minus 15 plus this square root cancel out this square, so here we will get x minus 15 is equal to 15 square, that is 225. Or now x plus x is 2x plus 2 times square root of x times x is x square minus x times 15 is 15x is equal to, now taking this negative 15 to right side, we will get 225 plus 15. Or 2x plus 2 times square root of x square minus 15x is equal to 225 plus 15 is 240. Or now taking count 2, we will get x plus square root of x square minus 15x is equal to, here we can write 2 times 120. Now this 2 cancel out this 2, so we will get x plus square root of x square minus 15x is equal to 120. Or now taking this x to right side, we will get square root of x square minus 15x is equal to 120 minus x. Now again squaring on both sides, we can write here square root of x square minus 15x whole square is equal to 120 minus x whole square. Or now this square root cancel out this square, so here we will get x square minus 15x is equal to, now we know an algebraic formula: a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So here we can write 120 square minus 2 times 120 times x plus x square. Or x square minus 15x plus, we know 12 square is 144 with double zeros, minus 2 times 12 is 24 with 1 0, and this x plus x square. Now x square cancel out x square, or negative 15x. Now taking this negative 240x to left side, we will get plus 240x is equal to 14400. Or now 240x minus 15x is 225x is equal to 14400. Now divided both sides by 225, we will get x is equal to 64. So finally the value of x is equal to 64. Now say Our questions is square root of x plus square root of x minus 15 is equal to 15. So we can write here square root of x plus square root of x minus 15 is equal to 15. Here x is equal to 64, or square root of 64 plus square root of 64 minus 15 is it equal to 15, or we know square root of 64 is 8 plus square root of 64 minus 15 is 49, is it equal to 15, or 8 plus square root of 49 is 7, is it equal to 15. We know 8 plus 7 is 15, so 15 is equal to 15, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our final answer is 64. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.